Today, I'll show you a simple way to seamlessly add your PowerPoint slides into a CapCut video project. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to convert your presentation into stunning visuals for social media, YouTube, or a creative video edit. Perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their video content using PowerPoint. Let's dive right in, starting with the very first step, exporting your PowerPoint. First, open up the presentation you want to use in PowerPoint. What we're going to do is move your slides from PowerPoint into a format CapCut can work with. Head up to the top left and click on File, then choose Export. You'll see a few options here. Most commonly, you'll want to export as a series of images, like JPEG, which saves each slide as a separate picture, or as a video file, usually in MP4 format. If you're aiming for fast edits and want to add motion or transitions later, images work best. If you have complex animations or you want all transitions from PowerPoint to remain intact, go with MP4. Choose your format carefully. If images, you'll be able to tweak each slide individually in CapCut. If video, you'll get a single, smooth clip. Once you've made your selection, save the exported files somewhere you'll remember, like your desktop or a dedicated project folder. This part might take a few moments, especially if you have a large presentation with lots of slides or animations, so just let PowerPoint do its thing. And don't worry if you're unsure which format is best. You can always repeat the export and experiment with both. On to step 2, importing your files into CapCut. Open CapCut and hit New Project to get started. Now, look for the Import button at the top or side of the interface. It might look like a plus sign or a folder icon, depending on your version. Click that, then navigate to where you saved your PowerPoint exports. If you exported as images, you can select all of them at once by holding Shift or Control on your keyboard. If it's a video file, just select it and click Open. Alternatively, if you like to work quickly, you can simply drag your exported files directly from your computer into CapCut's Media Bin, a handy shortcut that works on most devices. Now comes the creative part, arranging your slides in CapCut. Find your imported images or video in the Media section inside CapCut. Then drag them onto the timeline in the sequence you'd like them to appear. If you exported images, you've got a lot of control. Just drag and drop each one so your video tells the story you want. You can click and drag the edge of each slide to adjust how long it stays on screen. Longer for important points, shorter for quick transitions. For video files, you'll see the entire presentation as one clip, but you can still trim it, add effects, or overlay other elements. CapCut really shines at this stage, so take a moment to add a background track, some transitions, captions, or even fun animations. For example, you might add text callouts, highlight key facts from your presentation, or sync slides with music. This is your chance to bring your PowerPoint to life as a video. Make it engaging, informative, and visually appealing. And there you have it, a super straightforward way to convert any PowerPoint into dynamic CapCut video content. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice on a specific project. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.